Ready to ditch those keyboard controls and experience realistic racing on your PC? Let's get your Thrustmaster T128 connected. First, locate the cable coming from your T128 pedal set. It looks like a small telephone jack connector. Connect this pedal cable to the designated port on the back of the T128 wheelbase. It's labeled with a pedals icon, so you can't miss it. Push it in until you hear a click. Next, grab the USB cable that came with your T128. Plug the smaller end of the USB cable into the port on the back of the wheelbase. This port usually sits right next to the pedals connector we just used. Now, take the other end of the USB cable and plug it directly into an available USB port on your computer. For best results, use a USB port on the back of your PC tower rather than one on the front panel or on a USB hub. With everything connected, head over to the Thrustmaster support website. We've included a link in the description below. Find the driver download section for the T128 and download the latest drivers for your operating system. Once downloaded, install the drivers and launch the Thrustmaster control panel software. If everything is connected correctly, the T128 should be recognized. You can now customize your settings and start racing. Have fun.